Welcome to one of America's premier lipstick manufacturing facilities. What you're about to witness is the fascinating journey.
Everything starts with carefully selected raw materials: beeswax, carnauba wax from Brazil, castor oil, and mineral pigments.
Before anything enters production, our quality team rigorously tests every ingredient. Consistency and safety.
Ingredients are stored in precisely controlled environments. Temperature and humidity must be perfect to maintain the quality these materials had when they arrived.
Lipstick formulation is part chemistry, part art. We weigh each ingredient to the gram. A typical lipstick.
The waxes go into temperature-controlled melting kettles. We heat them slowly to about 85 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt.
They could be both, right? While wax melt, we prepare the oil phase.
The oils need to be warmed to roughly the same temperature as the melted wax. This prevents separation and ensures a...
Now for the magic: color. These mineral pigments and FDA-approved colorants will create every shade from classic.
Creating that perfect red might require 5 different pigments. Our color chemists work with precision scales, adjusting.
Pigments must be ground incredibly fine. We're talking
This is where it all comes together. The melted waxes, the warmed oils, and the color paste combine in our main mixer.
As the mixer works, we're creating a stable emulsion. The waxes and oils, which naturally want to separate, are being forced into a permanent partnership.
Preservatives go in next, typically vitamin E and other antioxidants. These prevent the oils from going rancid and keep the product safe for years.
Most lipsticks have a signature scent: vanilla, rose, or something proprietary. We add these fragrance oils carefully.
Modern lipsticks are more than just color. We're adding skin-beneficial vitamins, moisturizers, even SPF protection. It's skincare and makeup combined.
Homogenization is where good lipstick becomes great.
High-speed blades break down any remaining particles.
trapped air creates voids and weakens the lipstick. We pull vacuum on the batch, drawing out bubbles. What remains is dense, smooth, and strong.
Viscosity has to be just right. Too thick and it won't mold properly. Too thin and the...
Color consistency is crucial. We compare every batch to our master standard using spectrophotometers. Before we mold a single lipstick, this batch undergoes over a dozen tests: pH, stability, microbiological.
We subject samples to extreme temperatures, from freezing to hot cardboard conditions. If it can survive that, it'll...
Only after every test passes does the quality manager sign off. That signature means this batch meets our standards and is ready for molding.
The approved batch is now ready for its transformation from liquid in a tank to thousands of individual lipsticks. Next stop, the molding line.
The molding line is where liquid becomes lipstick. This automated system can produce up to 2,000 lipsticks per hour with remarkable precision.
Every mold cavity must be spotless. Will show a thin essig with step hatch.
These molds are pre-chilled to about 10 degrees Celsius. When hot lipstick mixture hits cold metal, it starts solidifying immediately in a controlled way.
The lipstick mixture must stay at exactly 85 degrees Celsius for pouring. Too hot and it's too fluid, too cool and it won't fill the molds completely.
Watch this automation in action. Computer-controlled nozzles position themselves over each mold cavity with
Sensors verify every mold is filled exactly right. Underfilled means short lipsticks. Overfilled causes quality issues. The system corrects in real time.
The filled molds enter a cooling tunnel. Over the next several minutes, the lipstick solidifies from liquid to that firm bullet we recognize.
Temperature is monitored constantly. Cool too fast and you get stress cracks. Too slow and production backs up.
Look at that, a perfect lipstick bullet. Smooth surface, clean edges, vibrant color. This is what we've been working toward for the past hour.
Inspectors look for any imperfections: air bubbles, rough surfaces, uneven color. Only flawless lipsticks continue to the next stage.
This might surprise you, Mevlek. We briefly pass each lipstick through a flame. This melts the surface just slightly.
Watch how the surface changes, from slightly matte to that beautiful glossy sheen. This is one of those details most people never think about.
After the flame, the lipsticks cool quickly. The glossy surface hardens, creating a protective layer that also looks luxurious.
Dimensions must be exact. The lipstick has to fit its case perfectly, Terry. Not too loose, not too tight. We're measuring to hundredths of a millimeter.
Weight is quality control and legal requirement. If the label says 3.5 grams, the lipstick better weigh 3.5 grams, actually a bit more to account for usage.
The finished lipstick bullets are organized by batch and shade. They'll stay here in controlled conditions until they're ready for their cases.
While lipsticks were being made, these components were being manufactured. Most lipstick cases are injection molded plastic, though some luxury brands use metal.
Every tube and cap is inspected. Scratches, color inconsistencies, mechanism defects, anything imperfect gets rejected.
These small metal cups are crucial. They grip the lipstick and allow it to twist up and down smoothly. The engineering is more complex than you'd think.
The lipstick bullet is pressed into its cup. A small amount of adhesive ensures they stay together permanently. This bond has to survive years of use.
Now the lipstick assembly slides into its tube. The mechanism must move smoothly. Too tight and it binds, too loose and it wobbles.
Every single lipstick gets twist tested. We verify it extends and retracts smoothly through its full range. A sticky mechanism means an unhappy customer.
The cap snaps on with satisfying precision. It has to seal well enough to prevent drying, but not so tight you can't open it.
Now we inspect the complete assembly. Cap fit, tube finish, mechanism smoothness, lipstick appearance through any way.
Color consistency between batches is critical. We use spectrophotometers again at this stage. Customers expect their favorite shade to look identical every time.
Every lipstick gets coded with its batch number, manufacturing date, and expiration. If there's ever an issue, we can track it back to the exact hour it was made.
Labels go on with precision alignment. They carry brands.
This is the final quality gate. Inspectors check everything one last time. Appearance, function, labeling.
Here it is, the finished lipstick. From raw waxes and pigments to this beautiful, functional product. It took precision, science, and attention to detail.
Packaging protects the lipstick and presents it beautifully. These boxes are as carefully designed as the product itself. Brand image matters. These boxes are precision engineered too. They fold, lock, and protect with surprising sophistication. Good packaging is invisible engineering.
The insert cradles the lipstick, preventing movement during shipping. It also creates that premium unboxing experience customers remember. The lipstick is placed carefully into its box. Orientation matters, and we want the customer to see the product immediately upon opening. Boxes are sealed with security stickers or shrink wrap. This prevents tampering and assures customers they're getting an unopened, authentic product.
Every package gets its barcode, the product's passport through retail distribution. This allows tracking from our facility to the checkout scanner.
Modularly. Packaged products get inspected too. Straight boxes, secure seals, clear labels, proper barcodes. Some lipsticks go into multi-packs or gift sets. These require additional assembly, combining multiple shades or products into attractive presentations. Luxury touches, tissue paper, satin ribbons, embossed boxes. These details transform a product into a gift worth giving.
A final quality check on packaging ensures everything is perfect. Only then is the product released for shipping to distribution centers.
Every batch is fully documented. Ingredients, production time, test results, operators involved.
We test samples from every batch under accelerated aging conditions. This confirms the expiration date printed on the package is accurate and safe.
Finished products are organized by shade, batch, and order. Efficient warehousing means customers get their products quickly and accurately.
The warehouse maintains specific temperature and humidity. Too hot and lipsticks soften, too cold and they...
Every product is tracked digitally. We know exactly where each shade is, how many we have, and when they were made.
Okay. When orders come in, our system guides workers to exactly the right products. Accuracy is crucial. Sending wrong shades frustrates. Products are packed with care, protective materials, secure boxes, clear labels. We want every lipstick to arrive in perfect condition. Each shipment gets a detailed manifest, every shade, every quantity, every batch number. This documentation travels with the products throughout the supply chain.
The loading dock is where our responsibility transitions. We've made a perfect product and packed it perfectly. Now it's up to the distribution network.
While production continues, our quality team analyzes every data point. Trends, defect rates, efficiency.
R&D never stops. We're always testing new ingredients, developing new shades, improving formulas.
We work under strict FDA regulations.
Every ingredient, every claim, every label must comply with cosmetic safety laws.
Microbial safety is paramount. We test for bacteria, fungi, and other contaminants. Lipstick goes directly on your lips. It has to be absolutely safe.
Our workers train continuously. New techniques, quality standards, safety protocols, education never stops. Skilled workers make quality products.
Production planning is complex. We forecast demand, schedule batches, coordinate ingredients, and packaging. Every shade has to be available when customers want it.
Color trends change with fashion. We analyze runway shows, social media, retail data, understanding what shades customers will want next season.
Even successful formulas get optimized. Better wear time, improved moisture, enhanced color. Small improvements make big differences to consumers.
Production equipment requires meticulous maintenance. Clean machines, calibrated sensors, sharp molds. Maintenance prevents problems before they happen. Scales, thermometers, timers, every measuring device is regularly calibrated. Precision manufacturing requires precise measurements.
Worker safety is our first priority. Protective equipment, safety training, ergonomic workstations. We invest heavily in the people who make our products.
Cosmetics manufacturing requires clean room conditions. Air filtration, sanitized surfaces, controlled access, cleanliness prevents contamination.
We listen carefully to customer feedback. Reviews, complaints, suggestions. This information drives
We study the competitive landscape constantly. Understanding what else is available helps us ensure our products offer real value and innovation. The innovation pipeline is always full. New textures, novel ingredients. We're constantly pushing boundaries in lipstick technology.
Some formulas are iconic. They've been loved for decades. We protect these heritage products while still innovating for the future.
Brand collaborations create excitement. Designer partnerships, limited editions, influencer collections, these special releases showcase our manufacturing flexibility.
Seasonal planning is crucial. Holiday demand can triple. We build inventory months in advance, ensuring popular shades are always available.
Export products must comply with regulations in dozens of countries. Different labeling, different testing, different paperwork. Global reach requires attention to detail.
Excellence isn't achieved alone. Production workers, chemists, quality inspectors, maintenance techs, everyone contributes to the lipstick in that final package. This facility has manufactured lipstick for generations. The expertise built over decades ensures every product meets the highest standards. There's real pride in making something people use and love. Every worker here knows their attention to detail touches millions of lives.
Here's the complete range. Every shade, every finish, every formulation. From classic red to modern nude, each one represents the same commitment to quality.
This is modern lipstick manufacturing. Science and art, precision and care, tradition and innovation working together. From raw material